Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we are taking a look at the little Campfire tripod board and chain set by Hubuish. This isn't a paid promotion. We purchased these items ourselves, and we'll put product links down in the description below. The little tripod board and chain comes in a nice synthetic leather pouch that snaps closed. It also has a belt loop on the back. Included in the set is the 304 stainless steel board that has the 3 holes in it for the sticks and a center hole where the chain goes through. The holes in the tripod board are 3/4 of an inch across. It comes with a length of 39.5 inches of chain that then has a sort of crooked pin at the top, and the eyelet that the chain attaches to on the pin is large enough that it will not fall through the hole, so you don't have to worry about the chain falling all the way into the fire because of that pin and the larger eyelet at the top. It also comes with a 2-inch long S-hook for hanging pots from, and the little tripod board is about 3 inches long at its farthest dimension. Everything together and inside the little pouch weighs 5.1 ounces. tripod board set is supposed to support over 50 kilograms in weight. And though I was a little concerned, it did support the 12-inch Dutch oven without any trouble. The same tripod sticks with lashing support the 12-inch cast iron Dutch oven. Well, I think the tripod board and chain kit is a nice set and certainly very capable. I think you can get by just as well with lashing poles together or having an aluminum tripod stand that you already have the poles with you, because frankly the hardest part of using this little stand isn't anything to do with the kit. It's finding the limbs or sticks that are straight enough and long enough and appropriate sized-ish so that they'll work for the tripod purposes. The marketing for the tripod board also notes that it could be used to break glass and for self-defense. While those may be secondary purposes that in a pinch it could be used for, I don't think I would entrust it to be a primary purpose in either of those cases. If you enjoy harvesting wood to use for the tripod legs and you are in a place where it's acceptable to do that, then sure, it would be great fun. If you're traveling in the desert, it might be a good idea to already have your poles with you. So while we think it's a nice kit and a fun thing to do and put together, we're not sure how practical on a day-to-day basis it would be. Down in the comments, let us know what you think about this little tripod board and chain kit. Do you think it's practical? Do you think it would work just as well to use lashing to put poles together? Or do you think you'd rather have all the pieces of your campfire tripod with you when you hit camp? We look forward to hearing what you have to say. Thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.